welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anik and a K. How are you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning to my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you are new here, thank you so much for coming by, sis. Hello, sir. Hello. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming through. So, as you guys can see, or if you don't know, now you know. You know very well. Okay, let's get into the video. So, the shout out for this video, let me get it. Ooh, my first up, Cynthia Budgets. That's my girl. Get into her, okay? If you am not, get into her, okay? Cynthia is my first shout out, and I love me some Cynthia. Then we have their budgets, y'all. Guys, they were shouting me out last week. And I didn't even know because I'd planned this, and sis just showed me so much love in her video. Like, oh my God, girl, oh my queen. Thank you. And then this is one of my faves that I've been watching. She's also in the Air Force, and she's basically like my big sister. She don't know it, but she's my big sister in the Air Force budgeting community. And that is Triple MTV or Social Creations or Triple M Crafts. I think that's what her old name was. But anyways, sis is like great, wonderful. Get into her. I love her videos. I watch them all the time. So those are my shout outs for my weekly check-in. If you have not, get into it, okay? All right, okay, y'all. So last week I was doing my check-in, and I was like, well, baby, this video is way too long for no reason at all. So what I decided to do was I'm just gonna unstuff my cash envelopes while we go through this check-in, because you know what? I feel like that's the move. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing on here is allowance, and as you guys can see, I bought me some Jamba Juice, which came up to a total of $6, and I went to a food truck, which came up to $9. Ooh, that was so good. And then when we moved down, I got Chili's with the office family, and then I also got Charlie's for breakfast because I was just lazy this week. I mean, I don't know if it's different from any other week, but I was just lazy this week. So let's go to allowance. And we're gonna take out these coins. So I need to take out 6 and 9 is 15, 15 and 20 is 35, 35 and 7 is 42. So I need $42. So I'm gonna do a 20, 210, and I'm gonna do 2 ones. So that's the $42 for allowance, and we're just gonna put that up there. And then allowance now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So now allowance has $158 left. Okay, that's cute, and I'll update the sheet later. Then next on here is, what else is in here? I think my next one that's in here is Fine Wine. Okay, she's right here. And so Fine Wine, she had $13. So right now, Fine Wine, which I bought some Stella Rosé, has $60 in there. And I need, how much? I need $7. So, ooh, we ain't got no change yet, y'all. We ain't got no change yet. Let me trade out. Where's my allowance? Let me trade out 2 5s for a 10 from allowance. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a trade out situation real quick. So yeah, guys, it was Friday. I was feeling it, and we got some Stella Rosé. We're just gonna make sure this is still 42. So that's 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. Okay, cool. So I need, this was $13 total for Stella Rosé. So I am gonna take out the 20, and I'm gonna take a 5 and these 2 ones. So 5 and 2 ones. So that's 7 from 20 gives you 13 in cool beans. So now Fine Wine, let me go back. has 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, and $47. Okay, so we're gonna put that back in fine wine. And I think allowance, fine wine, I think those are the only ones that are in this cash envelope. I think everything else is in another binder. Okay, so now we are looking for, oh, support a friend came up. So support a friend is losing $22. Oh child, I need me some change, baby. Let me come back to support a friend because I don't got that money for that. Not yet. Budgeting buys, $3. Let me see. Child, I have no monies. Hold on. We gotta do some trade outs, guys. Let's do some trade outs. Where's my allowance? Allowance has dollar bills. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should have did that. Okay. And give me the $10 here. Put that there. And then, yeah. Guys, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. And I'm gonna make sure this is the same amount because one thing you would hate is for your money to get mixed up and then you're like, oh my gosh, what happened? 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, cool. $58 in allowance. That's cool. All right, now let's go to support a friend who's losing $22. And that is, I'm gonna take these. Oh, stay down. Y'all, I'm so excited. I ordered my binders, like this one. I ordered them off of Amazon and they're on their way. I'm so excited because this not bending is a whole like unnecessary situation. But no, support a friend. How much money she losing? She losing $22, so she needs $8. So I need her to get a 5 and 1, 2, 3. So 30 minus 8 gives you 22, and so that's that. So now support a friend has 20, 25, 26, 27, $28. Okay, that is cute. We loves it. All right, the next budgeting buys is losing $3 because I bought me some white out because child, the one I had was finishing and I was like, no ma'am, that is not it. So I had to change that out real quick. Well, I had to buy a new white out so I would have one on hand. But no, so this is $5 from budgeting buys and I'm taking $2 to put back in there. And so 5 minus 2 will equal to $3 right here. So now budgeting buys has 10, 20, 25, 26, 27. And it had $30 before. Okay, who else is missing? I think facial and nails are my last one. So right now nails has $40 and I spent 19. So this is 2 10s. I'm gonna take a $1 bill. And now nails has $21. Okay, cool. And then, yeah, I think facial is the last one. So facial right now is $100, so 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And my facial that I got was $70. So I'm gonna do this right here. Put that there. And now facial has 10, 15, 20, 25, and $30. Okay, that's cute. All right. And I think that's it. We did allowance, we did facial, we did support a friend, we did fine wine, nails, allowance, budgeting buys. Now, I did not do insurance. That's what I am missing. So insurance is in here. And it is in upcoming bills. And right now, upcoming bills has $249. And we are losing $19 for insurance. So that's a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. Yup, that's 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is my Korean money extra when I change to pay my rent that I have, and I just keep it in upcoming bills. And for next month when I'm paying my Korean bills again, I will use these $3 to minimize how much currency I exchange. So just a FYI, you know. So upcoming bills needed to have $19 coming out for insurance. This is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, cool. Now, there is this sticky note right here, which is a reminder for me. So I still pay my family's phone bill in America, and I try to make it even. So if they have, let's say the phone bill is like comes up to $15 or $15, I just do the 10 and I pay the $5. Like, I'm cool with that. So I had $5. So the bill came up to $164 something, and of course, you know, the cents went to savings, so that was $5. So I am taking $5 from miscellaneous to pay for that. $5. Hold up, guys. I don't know what I did. Okay, that's 40. It's a 5. Okay, and the 10 goes there. All right, cool. So now miscellaneous has 10, 20, 30, 40, $45. Okay, cool. Okay, because miscellaneous paid for that $5 difference. Like I said, I don't mind paying that, and yeah, that's just how that works for the family. So there is one other thing though. So this $5 actually is already used and accounted for. I actually already paid the bill, and I have a weird setup, but I use my tithing to pay the bill, and then when I ask my parents to like pay my tithes for me, which is once a month, then I tell them to add like their portion, which would be $160 to my tithes, and then, you know, they pay the entire thing. So I've used my tithes and I paid $165 for my tithes. So tithes only got $275 for my cash stuff in. So I added the $5, so now it's at $280. So guys, I know to you it might be confusing, but the system works, girl. I got all the system pat, like I got it together, like everything working out. It do what it do, cause baby, yeah. So we're gonna count up this money, and let's see how much total for the week that I have spent is $1,693. I'm just gonna turn this a little bit. Cash payments that I've made is $1,505. Credit card payments I have made, so $1690.52 minus $1,505. So credit card payment should be $185.52, and then my savings should be $2.48. So girl, I feel like I forgot to do something. Hopefully I didn't. 6 and 9 is 15. 15 and 20 is 35 and 42. Okay, I don't think I did. Okay, so I am supposed to have $188 right there. So let's see. This is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Oh, I just love when it comes all together, y'all. I just love when it comes all together, because baby, it could have gone all the way left. So we take this 188 and we put it in our, I took out it, I know I did, because it's not in here. I definitely took out my credit card envelope and put it somewhere, guys. But I would put this 188 in my credit card envelope, and then at the end of the month when I'm doing my January closeout, I will do I will pay off my credit card with this money. So yeah, guys, that's it for my weekly check-in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to find what works for me in this weekly check-in because I'm not trying to take forever. Also, guys, there will be a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday of the month of February at 6:30 a.m. So if you do not have your push notifications on, y'all make sure you turn it on, because every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, not every day, it's gonna be a video at 6:30 a.m. So all day you can watch it, little baby. So I will see you guys in 2 days on Wednesday. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share, y'all. Don't forget to comment down below. Share this video, ooh child, with a family, friend, or a foe. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique N.A.K., and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.